wanna see how we alone. Look forward, we try, nobody here we cry. Them no care for you for we alone. Been through the storm, when the rain is on. We saw no one, we alone.
We just kind of woke up. Wait, what's this? We're about to surprise Ziggy, sister. You're brushing your teeth first? Oh shit. I have to go find it. I have to go find them. Just tell her. Hold on. Just go by the back. Right here, I said. Bogle. Jamaica. I'm joking. I don't like how this. Oh, there. You guys, do you hear the rain just hit the zinc? Let's just go stand right there, Ziggy. Let's stand right there and stare at her. Her teeth, but. So should we turn the light on? Turn the light on because this is dark. See, this is dark. I can see. I know. I need more light. And in here she needs that bulb. That bulb. What are you trying to do? Brush teeth first. Old times. Open that window.
Then do me so last
Morning.
Then do me so last night.
Come video me some man.
Wait, now look.
Come on, sir. You go there with me. I don't know wait.
She's probably well tired, that's why.
Oh God, temper down.
You guys, can you believe the first morning in Jamaica? Not even here for a full 24 years. 24 hours and water is gone. To brush teeth like.
Some man work, man.
But yeah, not only that, guys, water is gone and it's raining. Some of Ziggy's friend. What's up? You good? Oh my god, my lashes are just dropping out. Yeah, man. So Nyla's still sleeping. But we're trying to let her sleep because she didn't really get like a full proper sleep yesterday. Anyways, I'm gonna go order myself, so give me 2 seconds. So guys, yes, morning time. Say good morning.
I don't see no sand in here.
There's no sand. We have to go to the beach to see the sand. Y'all pardon the
You're already behind Vlogmas, no?
Yes, like they're on. Everyone's on day 3 of Vlogmas. No, 4.
Yes,
Yeah, what puzzle?
A new puzzle.
No, it's underneath there. You pick up. You play with that. Play with that or that. We're not. Yeah. You can play with that. Stay right here. Pick up your brush and put it back in the bag so you don't lose it. Hey, sorry guys. Yeah, it's day 4. We're super behind, but that's okay because I just need that. Tell them what you're doing. Nala pack up all her toys. Y'all ignore the TV because it's super loud. We're gonna sort that out. But anyways, Ziggy's here chefing up some porridge because Nala wanted some porridge. And as I was saying, we're here talking, saying how we're so behind on Vlogmas. Everyone's on day 4, but it just means our Jamaica vlogs will be drawn out because we're not really doing Vlogmas. I just named it VLOGCEMBER because I already knew we were gonna be behind. Currently just in the kitchen, chefing up some
Porridge.
chefing up some porridge. But guys, do you guys remember this background when I used to come see Ziggy? Y'all remember this?
Different.
It's different though. Probably renovate. Can this go here? Ooh, I know what to do. Hold on, guys. Let me get my other tripod. Y'all thought I was joking? Y'all, look at this. Look at this beautifulness. I made sure I packed my tripod. I'll show you guys it when I'm done. This one you can travel with. It's super tall. Watch this now. Hey! Hey! We didn't have to catch you guys, yo. And it goes really tall. But I'm about to go wash up the dishes. We're just in the kitchen, kind of just. You dropped? You slipped? Do you remember when I slipped back there?
Yeah, but watch this again. Look
at this.
Oh.
So I have to catch nothing. But yeah, as I was saying, I'm about to wash the dishes. Ziggy's here chefing.
So, Wagwan Palini knows we are touchy.
Yeah. So today was supposed to be her cleanup day, but we kind of just pop in. It wasn't even supposed to be a surprise. I don't know.
Even better still, because it's like, you know, take off some of my work off from Mama and in our little way still.
Yeah.
You know, so we are going to start clean.
Well, we actually just messed up the place from emptying everything. But the weather is like nice, and it's kind of cool right now. It's sunny, but it's been raining on and off. It felt so nice waking up and just hearing the rain on the zinc. Yo.
I low-key been ready to get up yet.
Me either.
But my sister worked there also.
I wasn't ready either, but I honestly am not wasting my day sleeping in. We got here like what, 12 o'clock last night. We went to 2 KFCs last night, guys. One KFC in Mobe by Blue Diamond said you have to wait 20 minutes for chicken.
20 minutes for chicken.
20 minutes. And then we went to the one in Fali and they were closed or chicken was done?
No chicken.
No chicken. After, and you know what? Our flight got really delayed and we didn't really eat much, but we wasted money in the airport. We ate like freaking noodle soup on the plane. We bought noodle soup, but we were trying to save our belly because we knew we wanted scotchies and we knew we wanted KFC, but the delayed flight really messed up everything. Other than that, customs and everything was good. We thought it was gonna be bad. Like, well, first of all, I thought we were just gonna get through, but that one lady, she was just annoying. She was legit sending everybody. If you had a lot of suitcase, she was sending everyone to immigration, like to get checked. But the guy that we had, like we said, he was trying to play like hard in the beginning, but he turned out to be really cool. And yeah, we got here really late. So literally what we ate, the first dinner that we ate when we came to Jamaica, tin mackerel and rice, but we're not mad because it was actually jack mackerel.
Yeah.
Tastes nice, and for some reason, I don't know, it just hit different down here. And it just reminded us of, you know, it just reminded us of like back when I was visiting, you know? It was nice, But Ziggy and I went to bed like 4 or 5?
Yeah.
4 or 5. I was
Yeah,
watching Wednesday on Netflix and I was just, my eyes were, I could have continued watching it, but I'm like, yo, let me just actually close my eyes.
You know, say Dante, they asked about it, never watch it.
Wednesday?
Yeah.
I downloaded it on my phone. That's why I was watching on the plane. I don't know if you would like it though. It didn't really seem like your type of
I like I like series already, I know that already. Yeah. But yo, it rain a fall, star.
On and off. But it's sunny.
But for today, we not make no move to this, we don't go nowhere at all. We just a chill for today.
No, that thing's so far.
What?
I'm dreaming.
Oh, I guess just cut the muscle and then I'll go through this.
You guys, it's raining again. Our flight overall was good though. The flight was okay. We were just really... Yeah.
Nah, like can't wait to go do.
She said she see a dog. The dog don't do nothing. She probably thinks it's like dog like how the dogs them up where we are. But yeah, today we're just chilling inside. We don't really have anything planned. We just kind of wanted to relax because to be honest, we're super tired. Our ride is not ready yet, so tomorrow we're gonna have to go on the road because there's some little stuff that we have to go get. But yeah, today's Sunday, so we're just chilling. You know, Sunday in Jamaica, a lot of places close early too. So, huh? What happened? Scared of the dog.
Sit down.
Not you wasting the gas. You didn't turn it off just now.
We didn't turn off the stove, we turned it on.
But it was the flame was gone, so all you smelled was gas.
We just turned it on because...
What you say?
What
were we just talking about? You just asked me for something.
Oh...
Here, what you want to do?
Keep up with whatever.
Huh?
We take Spanish up.
Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna ask you. I'll write it. That's a stir pot.
I said, yo, no, I'm pretty porridge, you know, man. Porridge, and that's what we take. Oh, I think Nene said Nyla can't wait.
She can't wait. Totally.
I just want to go outside and play.
But the funny thing is she wants to go. But you know what it is? She's not used to just getting up and going by. Like I was telling her to go to the shop to Bogle. But I don't think she's used to just going without somebody, you know? And then she saw everybody. And everyone's like, I think you down for that? You know? So she kind of gets a little shy.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Why? Holly said play with me with this.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna clean up and then we'll play.
Very nice. Very nice. Soon come back.
Go over there in the sun. Yeah. Come.
That's too far.
That's not far. You can go over there too. Run over there and come back. Yeah. Careful.
Huh?
Careful.
So when they run from? When they drive from? Wait? Oh, so that's after all they come from there. I got them on there in jail day. I'm supposed to be that today. You know they're supposed to be. I'm supposed to be that today.
We're not going to the beach yet.
Why? Hold on. Let me turn the camera.
Yeah, so you don't know, say they're on the black and you know what I'm saying. Oh no, I get off. Oh damn. There with the tugs them. France, I think France are drop out the next one, man. Yeah, you don't think England will beat them? Alright.
England go start Maguire against that.
Maguire now go start.
Me no go.
You know what go on?
Me no go.
From when? About what? When?
Yo.
Who's that? Who's that pretty girl? Yeah? Yo, so see Queen I know. Bogle done, you know? You don't know. You just there going easy back on the lane. This me I talk about, I didn't think I'm show on the following. Oh god. Them kind of leverage. You them a play some ball under the tree, I say, you know? Real settings.
You can zoom in, you know.
I already tried zooming.
It didn't work?
You can't go too far. Yeah. But yo, you don't know. Right now, me just there upon his engine and he tugs him. Just there going easy back in the idea, you know. Nothing tough now going. Bogle down the real general, I real girl them man. Listen. Businessman. Yeah? You know, yo, for sure them like this man here, always they try a little thing, you know. Boss having a liquor store out on his out on the road, you know. Yes, you sell everything out there.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah. Lollipop and them sitting there.
Yeah.
You see me? Boss always a try, you know. I want to rate is like the taxi man them support the G realest way, you know. As I am at them, so then we buy food out the road and then can buy food from the same people them see me, but then I buy juice from them, they come buy from him.
Yeah.
You know? And give him a little support, you know. And you know, waste the money for no girl. You know, give me money.
No. Dip me,
Yeah.
Go back, me busy.
Go back in your business.
Yeah.
Real man. Don't know. But I see more ride dogs today, isn't it? Because the G go there for this.
No, me more dip me,
You have music,
more dip.
money.
Yeah, me,
You have money.
Yeah, no.
You don't have to show meat, man.
No, me, more dip me,
Awo. Up in your yard.
Yeah.
Awo. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
If you see every man and just go and turn it back in our business, you see me?
Me, yeah.
And make it bigger. You know? So
Yeah.
you can all own all that big. And you know if you out there work again and make somebody out there work for you and carry the money, you see me?
Yeah.
You see me? So there do you see. So you check in back with you again a little bit, you don't know.
Hello? And with this?
Yeah, hold your hand out.
And with this, Daddy wants you to see like.
Daddy, what?
Daddy was seeing about it at the day to the week.
After.
And how about and we take a picture?
What have you, tell them what you've done so far. You gotta hold it like this. No, like on you. What have you done so far? You played with your friends. Can you stop?
Anya. 4 minutes. Say hi, Mommy.
Hi.
So what is the problem?
I am currently editing,
And
guys.
what's spell your name?
NISHA.
No, NYLA.
NYSHA.
Daddy, what are you cooking? Daddy,
Yeah?
say what you're cooking.
Some fish.
Daddy, look.
I'm in the kitchen and I'm cooking rice and peas and brown stew fish. What are you doing?
Nothing.
What do you mean? So what are you doing with the camera?
I'm vlogging.
Got it?
I want it.
So guys, I'm currently here vlogging for you. I'm currently here editing for you guys. Ziggy's in the kitchen cooking up some fish. Let me see. Nyla's literally been up the stairs, down the stairs, up the stairs, down the stairs, playing with her friends. Let me show you guys. Video light. Why does it do that? Shooting in.
Then I'll get the thing,
Yeah,
Get what thing?
the popsicle thing.
yeah, eat first. So Ziggy is here chefing up some brown stew. Yes, chef.
Mommy, I want
Yeah. Yes, chef. What do you mean no chef is not here? So you say you just try a thing
Yeah.
and then it just, huh?
Why is it?
Where's Ziggy? Where's the fish?
What fish?
She's hungry.
Oh. The fish not ready yet.
Just give her a piece of the fry.
So cute.
Ah! Nyla! Nyla said
I want
Polly.
to stay forever.
You want to stay forever?
Nice girl.
Nala said Polly's house is so cute.
You can stay with me forever here.
I want my mommy to put me down.
No, we're gonna leave you.
No.
Why? You don't wanna go to school down here?
Huh?
You don't wanna go to school?
I want to.
Okay, so you can stay down here.
No. Food.
Where's your fish? Give me see.
I'm like a fishing rod. Dooney, 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 dooney.
So Ziggy, how's it feel to be back in your place? The amount of time that I've asked you this.
Watching.
Every minute we just look down your road.
I know, literally every minute.
Come out that front and just feel refreshing.
For real.
It feel refreshing more than like what they call it, quench shade. Not sun.
Saying this was needed, eh? This was really needed.
See them not even beat from a cup.
Don't say that. Oh,
But
goodness.
seriously though, like you just want to enjoy, soak up everything, you know.
Literally, I'm like,
I know we can't get everything, but
this morning we woke up well early, as we said earlier, but we just. Hey, how are you? You're good? Yo, seeing all the little kids, I feel so old. She's gone. She's gone down there. You can't see her.
Small.
Watch Big Ed. Where is he? Big Ed Dante. Not the mosquito biting me up. That's what I was wondering. Mosquito already bite me up. Because I'm under the mesh with one. Oh, it bit me here too. But yeah, Ziggy, your pot smelled nice. But we were both under there. For some reason, they just came for me. They didn't even bother her. You know what? Vlog what I get.
Kubadi.
Anyways,
Mommy, look at Mommy watching.
what's she watching?
This one. YouTube.
YouTube?
Look.
Oh, what is? But yeah, man, that's what's going on for today. We just chilling. Today's Sunday, so we just vibing. We just chilling. Let me see what's going on outside. It's Sunday, so everyone's kind of like inside and cooking up their Sunday dinner. Where you running? Come here. I know you guys said you wanted to see Sasha, but wait, her brother is gone. Wait. Yo, I don't know if you guys remember Ziggy's nephew, Dante. He literally always runs from the camera. Oh, I thought you were him. Come here. He literally is like from, and you guys, I can't even be like, have you guys ever seen, or do you remember how he looked when he was younger? Because he didn't even look like, you've never seen him, yeah? Ziggy, better make sure you're keeping track of your bill, eh?
I just covered my boot.
We're probably gonna go tomorrow to do a little. Are we going tomorrow? To do a little grocery. We're probably gonna have to take taxi because.
Naya. Wait.
Come here. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? No one wants to see you, anyways. Come. Nyla's out here playing by herself. Watcha.
Kuya. Kunyona.
Kuya.
Kunya.
Shakamaka.
Shakamaka.
But yeah, she's just out here chilling with the little kids. She's not even scared. She was kind of scared of the dog earlier, but other than that, she's fine.
What is this?
I'm not trying to catch you. Here. So this is his nephew. But like I said, you guys never really seen him, so you can't be like, oh my god. But wait till you guys see Sasha. When you guys see Sasha, that's when you guys are gonna be like, holy.
Is that a YouTube video?
Yes. Hi. Huh?
She.
Bye. Yeah.
I don't know that.
Yeah, you don't know them.
That's a knife
Yeah.
to cut somebody.
No, it's like a butter knife. Go down there. Make them see you run up and down. Go.
Run.
Well, be careful, yeah. Don't fall. Slow, slow. What do you mean, no? Where are you going? Where are you going? Come here.
Go back. Go back.
You want to go for a walk?
Yeah.
Okay. Not in the water. Not in the... Ah! Do you guys see Nyla? Watch her in the water. Don't go in the water. It's dirty.
What is that?
It's dirty. Go. You want to pass? Oh.
I'm scared.
Come, I'm walking with you. Come.
Is this a new day?
Just go, yeah. Watch, someone's come with a bike. Come over here. Right here, right here, right here. Go.
Ew.
Ew, what? After you were just stepping in it? Ew, what? It's a dog. Relax. Okay, let's go. No, come. The dog bite you. Come. Maya, drop. Yo, Alma, what's like literally always one of my fears is Nyla just running and dropping. Every minute I'm like, Maya, drop, Maya, drop. But yeah, the place is so gloomy because it rained earlier. So that's why we're kind of just inside because like 1 minute it rained and it stopped. It rained and it stopped and then it... What's that? Aki. It's Aki.
Ew.
Why are you saying ew? It must have fell from the tree.
No, that's Aki. Ew.
Everything is ew for you.
Aki is mad.
Call Maxine. Say Maxine. Maxine.
Where's Max?
I said Maxine. Huh? I'm kind. Are you hot? Where are you going? Nyla, watch it.
Oh!
Oh, what?
Oh, this is the place.
Yeah, this is the house, Polly's house.
I want a scooter.
You want a scooter? Yo! Log on. You good? You remember me? You remember me? You don't remember me? Wow. I remember you when you're like this.
He was this big.
I remember you when you were like this. You're this small.
No, he looked like he was bigger.
Yeah, he's bigger.
I want to stop being taller.
You want to be taller?
I want.
So yo, no don't know anything come down, you know. Ow!
Yeah.
So it done. Rain out the door. You see me? And we didn't do nothing much. We just done cook and we just there chill. Cause for the first couple of days we not even to want to touch the road too much. You see me? We just there chill. So we're gonna pop some popcorn.
We can't touch the road anyways because,
You know?
can you imagine? Not even a full 24 hours in rain. Actually, I guess officially 24 hours since we've been here.
Is it?
Yeah. Remember we land like 9 something. It's like 9 something now.
What's wrong?
I'm scared.
Scared of what?
I'm scared of the water. No, I'm scared of the rain.
I'm joking. So anyway, we are going to pop some popcorn and sit down and watch a movie, you see me?
Yay, pop.
But we're not watching your movie.
Why?
We're watching our movie. Because your movie is a baby movie, Nyla. I want to watch a big kids movie.
I'm not big.
You're not big?
I am bigger more.
You're bigger more? So you want to watch a big kids movie? Okay, let's go watch a
I'm
movie.
bigger.
Yo, so you know what? Big up on yourself and just go and check in for anything them because you don't know. We are out here. Not much now go and sleep because we can't move around. That's why. As I say, because the thing them not even check in really, so you still wait for a ride to make a move, you see me? But, you know, we can't rush the thing because probably we never touch the road yet, you see it, so we just go and hold it same way, because by tomorrow that's supposed to sort out our next day. But, the next move, I have to go grab some stuff out on the road and something, you know, and then grab everything else and then touch in back. So you don't know. Big up on yourself. Go and check in for the vlog. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. So if you check over here, you see me, you don't know yourself. Bang! Gone again. Enough of love. And if you all who check in for the vlog, them already like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. You know, don't know. We appreciate everything from the heart. You get what I say? Yeah, man. And if you all who say, boy, I try to style the thing about the shoes, them. Ah, this, with this, boy. And you can't see some hurt still, you know. Because me did I just vent all how me feel and something, but I don't know anything come down. We have to just go and hold it some time, though. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. We are out here.
Them no care for you over your alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one.